In today's video, you will learn how to block spam emails in Microsoft Outlook Desktop. Managing unwanted emails is an important part of keeping your inbox clean and stress-free, and Outlook gives you built-in tools to do exactly that. As you work within Outlook on your desktop, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see a small gear icon. This gear icon opens the Settings menu, which is where Outlook allows you to customize how your email behaves. After selecting the gear icon, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose View All Outlook Settings. This step is important because it unlocks the full range of email controls rather than just the basic options. Once the Settings panel opens, you will notice a list of categories displayed along the left side. Select the option labeled Mail to continue. When the Mail section expands, look for and select Junk Email. This area is specifically designed to help you control spam and manage messages that you do not want cluttering your inbox. Inside the junk email settings, you will find a section labeled Blocked Senders and Domains. This is one of the most effective ways to stop unwanted messages before they ever reach your main inbox. In this section, click the Add option. A text field will appear, allowing you to enter the email address or domain you want to block. This can be used for senders that repeatedly send spam, promotional messages you no longer want, or any source you prefer not to hear from again. Once added, Outlook will automatically route emails from that address or domain directly into your junk folder instead of your inbox. By following these steps, you gain better control over the flow of emails entering your inbox. Regularly reviewing and updating your blocked senders list can further improve your experience and help Outlook stay effective as new spam sources appear. With just a few adjustments, your inbox becomes cleaner, easier to manage, and far more focused on the messages that matter most. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.